Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Harsha YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach about how to find the general term of a number pattern within 5 minutes. So keep watching this video. I wrote a number pattern. Before we find the general term, first we have to calculate the common difference of this number pattern. This is the term 1, this is term 2, this is term 3, this is term 4, so on. So you can see the common difference is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Like that. Okay. Now I write the general term as 4n because the common difference is 4. Now I give 1 for n. What is the answer? 4 times 1 equal to 4. But our actual first term is 3. So we have to subtract 1 from here. 3. Now I give 2 for the n. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 minus 1. Actual second term is 7. Now I give 3 for n. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 minus 1 equal 11. So we can get the actual third term. So 4 into n equal 4n minus 1. This is the general term. 4n minus 1. Now I move to another example. So first term is 9. Term 2. Second term is 15. T3 equal 21. T4 equal 27. Now you know how to get the common difference. The common difference is 6. 6. 6. Okay. Now I write the general term as 6n. Now we can check the answers. When I give 1 for n, 6 into 1 equals 6. But our actual first term is 9. So we have to add 3 for here. 6 plus 3, 9. When I give n equal 2, 6 into 2 equal 12. But actual second term is 15. Then 12 plus 3 equal to 15. When n equal 3, 6 into 3, 18. But the actual third term is 21. Then 18 plus 3, 21. So 6 into general term, 6 into n equal 6n plus 3. This is the general term of this number pattern. Now I get another example, but there is a difference between previous one. So 28 minus 5, 23. 23 minus 5, 18. 18 minus 5, 13. So you can get the common difference as minus 5. Then we write the general term minus 5n. When I give 1 for n, minus 5 into 1 equal minus 5. But our actual first term is 28. So we have to add 33 for getting 28. 33 minus 5, 28. So now I give n equal to minus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 33. 33 minus 10 equal to 23. Next, n equal 3 minus 5 into 3 equal minus 15 plus 33. 33 minus 15 equal to 18. So we get first term, second term, and third term like that. So now we can get the general term minus 5 into n equal minus 5n plus 33. This is the general term of this number pattern. This is the fourth example. You can see 100 minus 4 equal to 96. 96 minus 4, 92. 92 minus 4, 88. So we can get the general term as minus 4n. Now I give 1 for n equal to 1. Minus 4 into 1 equal minus 4. But our actual first term is 100. So minus 4 plus 104. 104 minus 4 equal to 100. N equal to minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 104. 104 minus 8 equal to 96. N equal 3 minus 4 into 3 equal minus 12 plus 104. 104 minus 12 equal to 92. Now we can get the general term minus 4 into n equal minus 4n plus 104. That's all for today. Make sure to keep practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.